In this video I will show you how to get a .com domain and professional email address from IONOS.com. Human tutorials are slow and confusing. It's so much easier to just copy my clicks. To get started, click the IONOS link below this video. Type in the domain you hope to use. It should be simple and memorable. Click Check. Try it again on this page and click Check. When you have found an available domain that you like, select the .com version to put in your cart. Optionally scroll down and add domain guard to your cart. Click Continue. Click Continue again. Scroll down and click Continue. Complete your contact information and click Continue. Complete your payment information, check this box, and click Order Now. Click Get Started. Now you can create an email address at your new domain and set a password. Click this link and put in your forwarding email address. You can optionally add virus protection. Click I agree and save. Click Send Overview or Print to keep your login records for this email account. Click whether or not you want your overview to display your password. Congratulations! Now you have a .com domain and a professional email address. How would you like for me to show you click by click how to set up your own affiliate business? Just go to clickbyklickaffiliate.com.